Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to protect your data with a VPN in Australia. So if you live in Australia, so you will be just move in the browser and you will be just search for this Express VPN. So you will be just download the best VPN app right over here. You will just download it on your PC, on your mobile, and you will be just tapping it simply on Express VPN. So you will just choose a reputable VPN used for trusted services like ExpressVPN, and you will be just simply just tap on it, download. I will just tap on it, and when you just select a secure server to the connect to your like an Australian or international server for privacy, it is enable encryptions like uses like secure protocols, WireGuard, OpenVPN. It will just active kill switch, prevent data leaks if the VPN disconnects. Use no log policy. VPN ensure the provider does not track your activity, and you will be just enable multi factor authentication, extra security for your VPN account, and you will be just avoid free VPNs many collect and sell your data. But I will just recommend it for this Express VPN. You will simply just download on your Windows or your iOS device or your Android device. You will just simply get from the Play Store or App Store and simply just connect it with your PC or your mobile. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.